Docusaurus, GitBook, VuePress, and WP documentation are four of the best platforms for publishing documentation, each with its own vibe. But the question is, which among all of these is the best? Docusaurus is highly customizable, perfect for reactives and product talks, great for startups needing sleek branded sites. GitBook has a beautiful UI and integrates with Git. It's perfect for collaboration, internal wikis, and public facing docs. Very plug and play. VuePress is for Vue.js fans, lightweight, fast, and developer focused. It's best if you love Vue and want performance. WP documentation is WordPress based and ideal for people already using WordPress. It is less dev focused, more accessible for non coders. So, which is the best? Docusaurus is for full control. GitBook is best for team collabs. VuePress is best for Vue projects, and WP Doc is best for WordPress sites. Each of them has its own specialization, and I think that all of them